How to sign in AnyGen. So hey guys, in this video, I will teach you how to sign in AnyGen. So in AnyGen app, all you need to do to sign in right here is open up your AnyGen right here. So once you open up your AnyGen right here to sign in, all you need to do is choose, for example, we're gonna do with Google. Press on continue with Google right there. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Just pop up. All you need to do is click on agree and share. After pressing on that right there, we just have to wait for a few seconds. There we go, we have to wait. Excuse me. There you go, it's still loading. So, I'll see you guys in a few seconds after it's done loading. It's telling us, are you older? Yes, I'm older. I'm older than 18. Now here, we just have to wait again. There you go. As you can see, now there you go. We have our AnyGen right here. So here, we can now close out that and start. So there you go guys, now as you can see right now, we have our AnyGen account right here. We're just gonna click on allow for notification, like there. So if you have any like create file that's big, you want to wait and you want to scroll or something and you want it to be just notified, just allow that. So yeah, there you guys, I do it. I hope you guys like the video, was enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, type it down question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on how to rock it guys. There you guys, and there you guys, see you on the next one, and thank you guys.